When you think of NFTs, what is the first project that comes to mind? Let me guess. CryptoPunk or Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? What made you think of these first? Well, probably it was due to how these were the first NFT projects to really gain traction in the mainstream. And to this day, they remain some of the most influential in terms of not only their value, but their popularity. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Atomic Wallet YouTube channel. I'm Bradley Peake, your host, and I'm presenting you with a space to gain new insights into the world of crypto and learn more about Atomic Wallet, the safest and most convenient way to hold your digital assets. Now, stemming from Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club is the newly launched Apecoin cryptocurrency by Yuga Labs, a governance utility token meant to benefit BAYC and MAYC holders and inspire mass adoption. Now, in this video, we're going to go over exactly what Apecoin is, how it came to be, how its ecosystem works, and also where it could go in the future. But before we get started, as always, be sure to finesse that bell notification down below to be alerted as soon as we drop a new video, and also go ahead and decimate the like button. These actions obviously inspire us to keep enriching your brains with great crypto-centric content. Well, Apecoin is an Ethereum ERC20 based token that derives its utility from the power that is granted to holders of the token itself. Now, Apecoin's fundamental purpose is to enrich its community through a decentralized governance framework where holders of the token can actually vote on new initiatives to be implemented within the Ape ecosystem. There's actually a board of directors that oversees the entire Ape ecosystem. And importantly, these board members are voted in every single year by the community. Now, in order to vote, all you need to do is hold Apecoin. It's one of the initiatives that community members can actually vote on themselves. Now, within the first week of its launch, Apecoin broke into the top 50 cryptocurrencies that have been listed on CoinMarketCap. And this really spurred massive hype for the new token. Apecoin is actually structured as a reward system to benefit NFT holders within the BAYC. For simply owning an Ape NFT, the Apecoin token is free to claim, and when launched, of the 1 billion minted Ape tokens, 15% has already been allocated for Ape NFT owners to claim. The Apecoin community is consolidated between two different groups. There's the Ape Foundation and the Apecoin DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Now, the relationship between these two bodies is somewhat intertwined. Now, on the one hand, the Ape Foundation facilitates the day-to-day project management, and its goal is to effectively steward the growth and development of the Ape ecosystem fairly and inclusively. The DAO, on the other hand, exists to ensure that the decentralized governance of the Ape ecosystem remains in practice, and also that all of these Apecoin initiatives are maintained over time. Now, the synchronization between the Ape Foundation and Apecoin DAO guarantees the influence that its holders have over the governance of the community. So let's look into the future a bit. Apecoin has a lot of potential, and the community supporting it hopes for wide-scale adoption and usage. However, the benefits that are available to Ape NFT holders are being reaped right now. Okay, let's look at some of the statistics here, right? BAYC NFT holders are entitled to claim 10,094 Apecoin tokens. MAYC holders can claim 2,042 Apecoin tokens. Holders of the Bored Ape and Kennel Club collaboration are entitled to 10,950 tokens, while owners of the Mutant Ape and Kennel Club NFT can claim 2,898 Apecoin tokens. And this is all happening right now. Moreover, the Saltwater Brewery in Delray Beach, Florida is set to begin accepting Apecoin as payment, granting a discount on drinks for patrons who actually make purchases with the token, which is fascinating. And there are also lots of implications for Apecoin adoption within future metaverse projects. For example, there's actually an MMORPG, a massively multiplayer online role-playing game, and that's being developed right now. And the title is The Other Side. And in this game, BAYC owners can actually use their NFTs as avatars within a custom-designed virtual world that uses Apecoin as its primary currency. So the future looks pretty bright for Apecoin, so go bananas. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you consider subscribing so that we can keep bringing you up to date with the latest in the world of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. And until the next time, have a beautiful day.